Next generation CM2W dosing solution with unique hardware upgrades. Twice as thick peristalsis guarantees at least 2 times longer service life of the peristalsis before replacement. More powerful motor and a strong reduction that withstands the tension. 3 times longer pump life due to much more reliable reduction. Option to add up to 3 pumps, each with 3 rollers, as well as water flash for even more compactness. CM2W controller inside with RF wireless technology for connecting additional IoT sensors and 2G, 3G, 4G, LTE, and 5G technology for server-side communication. Each system contains 3 chemical flow meters and 1 water flow meter, 3 inputs for level sensors, 1 inductive probe, 1 conductive probe, 2 inputs for temperature sensors, a built-in alarm, and output for adding an external alarm. The only system that offers CAC, continuous adaptive calibration.